This is what you will find in the concierge room here at the Pixar Place Hotel. Of course, you have your orange juice, your cranberry juice, and your apple juice, along with your tea. Of course, we're from Florida, so being from Florida, we enjoy sweet tea, not what people call sweet tea. That's not really sweet. You get sandwiches. You have a nice little snack bar, along with a fruit salad. You come over here anytime during the day and get yourself a snack, which, to be quite honest, I think it would actually save a lot of money in the long run. And of course, your very own, I guess that's what you call cappuccino and coffee machines right here. Make yourself a nice little cappuccino and of course, complimentary sodas that come along with the concierge service. There's Terrell-Lynn. Hi, Terrell-Lynn.
People in Orlando feel like Olaf.
It's so comfortable to come here with your family and just relax for a little bit. There's of course TV with videos playing as well for the kids to enjoy. Of course, Toy Story Land concept art. YouTube thinks you will like this video right here, so do what it says. Click here for more.